How to add sound effects on CapCut app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add sound effects to your video on CapCut. First thing, go to the app. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now click on your video, or you can upload a new video from here. Choose your video, and now all what you have to do is simple. Go down here and click on the audio option. Now click on effects, and it will take you directly to this page. Right here, as you can see, we'll find many effects. You have laugh effects, fight effects, transition effects, and many other effects. And you can also search for an effect if you want from this search bar. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.